What's up, you guys? Kevin Buddy over here. Welcome back to Video File Freak, and I did say that I'm gonna get a projector. Here it is, all I've been waiting for, and I'm using a different camera now, so it's not 1080p, it's 1280p because I don't want to use my phone. I got so much stuff on that phone. But right here, this is the new product that I got. So let's open it up and take a look at it. So let's do this right here. Right there. Right there. And apparently I gotta rip this off. So I'm upgrading my Hitachi projector and my Simple Beamer projector with a little bit something 10 times better. Let me see if I could just... Damn, they use good quality tape. Oh, there we go. Apparently it's have packing peanuts. So we're just gonna get this shit out of the way here. Go underneath. Bucket. There we go. I'll take all that out later. And here it is. The LG Mini Beam. This is the thing that I'm going to upgrade my cinema projector with. It's small, it's tiny, it's by LG, which is nice. And it is used, but it's like new. So let's look at the box over here. We got LG projector, Mini Beam, looking official. And over here it's LED. Probably you guys can't really see it, but it's LED 3000 hours, built-in battery, screen share, Bluetooth, HDMI, and 720p. Not bad. Let's really unbox it and take a look. Still in frame? Yep. So in the box, what do we got? We have the accessories. So we got Projector projector. Like this is just the manual. Not bad. We got the remote with batteries. The battery is included. Alright, not bad. So we got the power cord over here. Really decent power cord. And we got the power brick. That goes with that power cord. And then we got... Thank you for purchasing this product, blah, 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 from our store while we strive to satisfy each customer that we have. Okay, good. And here is the little projector itself. Wow, this thing is teeny. This thing's tiny for what it is. Just put that down like that. There we go. Holy shit. Technically, this is a brand new LG projector. Not bad. Please remove plastic film. And like... Oh my god. This bottom plastic film can come off. I think this stays on. Nope, it come off. Wow. Yeah. Look how new that guy looks. Look at how new this guy looks. It's crazy. Look like never been used. So up here you got your focus dial. very smooth focus dial. You got your power button, your directional buttons, very clicky. Got the LG logo over there. And in the back, I'm sorry if this is out of focus, but we have a DC in, USB in, HDMI, headphone jack, and a Kensington lock. And it does support Dolby Digital Plus, DivX HD, HDMI of course, and Bluetooth. And on the side we got a power button right here, or a power slider. Nothing over there for fan. You got a tripod mount to hang it from the ceiling too. And you got 4 rubber feet on the bottom. And then you got your lens right here, which is very smooth for the focus. So there we go. Oh yeah, fingerprint magnet, great. Yeah, beautiful projector. So let's plug it up and let's see how it works. So I got it all plugged up and all set. Here it is right here. And first time booting it. A little fan there, which is pretty goddamn nice. Oh, need to focus it. That's where that little ring in the top comes into play. Okay, so this is a big ass screen. We're going to turn off the lights here. Turn that off. Turn this off. Yeah, so the screen is pretty big for what it is. So we are going to select English. Sure. Store mode. Alright. And let's go through the settings here. So, options over here. We got keystone, front projector, rear projector. So we're just going to do standard. And yeah, everything looks pretty goddamn smooth for what it is. Now let me see if I can find the zoom, so I can zoom it into this screen here. Oh, I gotta have a green blank screen, which is weird. Keystone, auto keystone. I ain't gonna fuck around with that. Has wireless, time, auto. So you could do standard, news, music, cinema, sport, and game. Clear voice 2. Not bad. Display. So I can actually switch to 4:3 if I wanted to. Picture option. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this thing. You can go to energy save.
No way.
Yeah, so this projector has a lot of stuff. You got wireless. So if I go to,
You can't save a beach ball, bro.
let's see, I'm gonna go to Bluetooth on. And then let me see if I could get my phone going. So let me see if I can get my phone going here. Gonna turn on Bluetooth. Screen looks gorgeous. It's this one. Let's see, scan again. And then it goes to the LG. Huh. Well, I mean, let's see if YouTube will pop up out of nowhere on it. Yeah, that screen looks gorgeous. It's not fitting in this screen, but when I put it downstairs, it's gonna fit craziness. It's gonna look good. Let's see. 4K video. Yeah, man. Go through the ads. It's not in there. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna figure this out. All right, so never mind. I'm not doing the screen share. I'll figure that out. But I actually connected my USB into the projector, and it says, turn off the light here. It says, new input, new external input connected. Do you want to use it? And I say yes. Yes, I do. Get off screen share. And this is a big ass screen. Go here, drive 1. And pick one. The opening IMAX. Hopefully it'll work. Yes, it does. Turn off the volume. Wow. That thing looks amazing. Wow. That's freaking detailed. That's 720p. That looks really good. Let me, yeah. That thing is beautiful, man. Oh, it goes to the next one, I guess. Yeah, it does. Wow. So I'm going to play around with this thing and give you guys the verdict on the next video. And, wow, this thing is bomb, dude. Yeah, so I'm just going to bring this downstairs into the theater room and get it all set up, and that's it. So I'll see you guys on the next video.